example of what went on last night with this windstorm that we had. This is like this all over the place. Trees down across the roads, power lines down. You see the power lines, that tree right there? It's kind of weird that that road wasn't closed right there because of that. Kind of looks like a hurricane came through. I don't know if you can tell, but there's power lines down. I missed that one. What was it, a big giant tree?
Yeah, it fell right in front of their house.
Here's another tree that's down across the road.
Oh gosh! Get a couple of cars to wait.
See where it
Took
snapped
out
up.
the white picket fence.
It went. It's got a nasty. This could have taken out their house in a nasty way, but the tree fell the other way. Look at where that house is, and look at where the tree broke off.
He's letting you go.
Here's another one. Fell the other way.
Whoa! Those guys aren't leaving anytime soon. Whoa! Unbelievable.
Look at this. It's like a tornado came through here.
I gotta call my parents.
We could put the video on YouTube and we could let them watch it.
Well, wait, you know what to do.
And this is just the main road. I can't imagine what the side roads look like. No power around here at all. Sue and I are lucky because where we live, we're probably the only people around with power.
Good, how are you? Oh my gosh, we're out driving around. There is trees down everywhere. We were fine. I worked yesterday and Paul said that but you can't, these are not just little trees, these are huge trees.
We're going to send pictures and video.
We're taking some videos
Look at this
right now.
pine tree that's...
Send some pictures up later.
I don't know how these trees are not on the road. This is incredible.
Trees are like...
We're going under a giant pine tree right now.
Under a giant pine tree.
It's straight across the road.
That's straight across the road. That's being held up by the street lights are down.
There's wires in the road in front of us.
But we did not lose power. Well, we lost power for like 10 seconds and that's it. Yeah, we were very lucky. The wind, they said that they measured the wind was up to 75 miles an hour. Paul said he thinks it was a little bit stronger than that.
The gusts were higher than that, where we were.
But these are not just little trees. These are huge, huge trees. Traffic lights are out.
These traffic lights are out right here.
Everything. No, it was rain and wind. Yeah, it's hard to believe it's like 5 o'clock already. It feels...
Well, it's because of the time change.
I know, because of the time change. Dad's still not ready to wake up. This is unbelievable. They already closed New Canaan schools for tomorrow because so many people have no power.
And Stanford they declared a disaster.
They declared a disaster. Yep. It depends. I mean, so far we haven't seen anything hit the houses yet.
Luckily, too.
Luckily. The trees went in the other direction.
So somebody got killed in Westport.
But, yeah, somebody died in Westport. And 2 people were injured. And then New Jersey got hit bad, too. Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess there was somebody in New Jersey, there was a couple deaths in New Jersey too.
Look at this tree.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, and here's the end of the line. Can't get any further than this.
We can't go any further. We have to turn around. The trees. Yeah. Yeah,
the road's closed because the tree is...
They closed the road. Huh? No, it's everything's stopped. There's no wind blowing. It's just a little chilly.
Okay, this is
wow, this is
Dew Lane over here.
Yep, I'm still here. You can't believe. Wait till you see some of these pictures we're going to show you. These are huge, huge trees.
This house is on Pilgrim Lane, and the tree came down on the house. There's the mess of the tree over there, and it took out a portion of the roof. And I hope nobody got hurt. Looks like it's a garage though. Still, oh, I just noticed that tree.
Oh my God, I didn't notice that one.
On the roof. Man, that's nasty. This is on Pilgrim Lane in Darien, Connecticut.